Hi, I watched 4 videos and I'm going to answer a couple questions about those videos. The first question is, what were some of the counseling skills that I noticed? First off, I noticed that the counselor had a clear but low and calm tone with the client. I noticed the counselor used eye-to-eye contact the entire time that they were meeting. I noticed that the counselor also used some non-verbal communications by using hand motions and nodding his head to let the client know that he was listening. I noticed the counselor used some reflecting techniques where the counselor will reflect back what the client was saying. I noticed that the counselor used some paraphrasing techniques as well, where the counselor would just repeat what the client was saying and kind of word it a little different to make sure, to gain clarity with the client and make sure that's what they meant by what they were saying. I noticed that the counselor used reflective listening by also saying, "It sounds like to me you're saying this," and repeating what the client had said. Also, I noticed that the counselor would encourage the client to elaborate more on the subject by saying things like, "Tell me more about this," or just basically edging on the conversation. The second question was, did I think that was how the counseling session was going to go, why or not? Yes, I thought that that's how counseling sessions go, because I have attended a counseling session myself, but also just the whole point of what counseling is about. Of course, you want to make your client feel comfortable and show active listening skills, so your client will know that you're actively listening and be more provoked to tell and just relax so that they can describe what they're trying to get out and everything. I also seen the client reflect feelings, and when somebody can reflect the feelings back with their client, it shows like empathy to me, because if you could say to me, so you felt kind of depressed about that, or you felt bad about that situation, and if that's how I really felt, it's going to encourage me to share more, I feel like. So yeah, I think that's how a client counseling session should go. Thanks a lot.